Good evening, student. After completing the GERL system, now we are starting with the double membrane organelles, and in first we are taking the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound cell organelle which is also called as powerhouse of the cell. This organelle is specifically meant for energy harvesting inside the cell. So let's learn about mitochondria. Mitochondrias they are the double membrane bound cell organelles and they are discovered by a scientist Kolliker in the striated muscle cells of insects. So mitochondria are first discovered by Kolliker in striated muscles of insects, and Kolliker used the term sarcosome for mitochondria, but actually mitochondria name is given by a scientist Benda. Okay, so the term mitochondria was given by Benda. Mitochondria is having various names. It can be called as sarcosomes, then it can be again called as bioplast, or it can be again called as chondrioplast, or it can be again called as plastosomes, or it can be called as plastochondria, and it is famously called as powerhouse of the cell. All the mitochondria of the cell together are called as chondriomes. So chondriome is a term used for showing all the mitochondria of the cell together. Okay, we are started with the topic mitochondria, और हमने माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में सीखा कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एक डबल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड स्ट्रक्चर है जिसको सबसे पहले डिस्कवर किया था साइंटिस्ट कोलिकर ने। कोलिकर ने उनको स्ट्राइटेड मसल सेल्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट में डिस्कवर किया था और उन्होंने उनको उसको बोला था, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को नाम दिया था सार्कोसोम। हालांकि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया ये जो टर्म है ये साइंटिस्ट बेंडा ने कॉइन की है। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को इसके अलावा भी बहुत नाम है, जैसे कि हमने देखा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को हम बोलते हैं सार्कोसोम, या तो हम माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को बोलते हैं बायोप्लास्ट, या तो फिर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज कॉल्ड एज प्लास्टोकॉन्ड्रिया, और या तो फिर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को बोला जाता है कॉन्ड्रियोप्लास्ट, और इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्लास्टोसोम। एंड फेमसली जो सबसे फेमस नाम है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का, दे आर कॉल्ड एज पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल, बिकॉज वो एनर्जी एक्सट्रैक्शन करने से संबंध रखते हैं, इसीलिए उनको हम पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल भी कहते हैं। सारे के सारे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एक सेल के अगर हमको एक टर्म में बोलना हो तो हम उसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं कॉन्ड्रियोम। ये टर्म कॉन्ड्रियोम्स is a term used for all the mitochondria present inside the cell. Now talking about the size of mitochondria is the largest cell organelle of animal cell. In animal cell, the mitochondria is the largest cell organelle. While talking about the plant cell, in plant cell it is the second largest cell organelle and the third largest cell component of plant cell. So in case of plant cell, it is the second largest cell organelle and the third largest cell component. Talking about the size of mitochondria, the size mentioned in NCERT, lengthwise the mitochondria is 1 to 5 micrometer long and the average diameter of mitochondria is 0.5 micrometer. सो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के साइज की बात करें तो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एनिमल सेल का सबसे बड़ा सेल ऑर्गेनेल है और प्लांट में इट इज़ द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट सेल ऑर्गेनेल, बट इन केस ऑफ प्लांट वो थर्ड लार्जेस्ट सेल कंपोनेंट है. Do remember this point, this is very important point for MCQs. Okay, and the size mentioned of mitochondria in NCERT book is 1 to 5 micrometers and average diameter is 0.5 micrometers. So this is about the size of mitochondria. Now talking about the occurrence of mitochondria, कि mitochondria हमें कहाँ मिलेंगे. So mitochondria are present in all the eukaryotic cell. They are present in all the eukaryotic cell. In cytoplasm. Okay, and they are absent in mature RBCs. So mature RBCs, as RBC is a eukaryotic cell, still it will not have the mitochondria. Plus in plant cell, the sieve tubes will not have the mitochondria. So these mitochondria is present in all the eukaryotic cell, but in case of mature RBC it is absent, and in plant, in case of sieve tube, it is absent. Now talking about the number of mitochondria, कि how many mitochondria are present inside the cell. So the number will vary according to the requirement of the cell. The cell performing multiple tasks will have more amount of mitochondria, and the cell which is performing less amount of work will have comparatively lesser number of mitochondria. Generally, an animal cell will have more mitochondria compared to a plant cell. So animal cell will have more mitochondria compared to plant cell, because in case of plant, chloroplast and mitochondria both will produce ATPs. Okay, so the requirement of mitochondria in plant cell is comparatively less as compared to animal cell. ओके एंड कितने होंगे एक सेल में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. तो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल कि स्पर्म में वी कैन हैव 25 माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पर स्पर्म, और इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द किडनी सेल, देन in case of kidneys we are having some 100 to 300 mitochondria per cell, or if we speak about the liver, then the liver cell will have 500 to 1000 mitochondria per cell. So the number of mitochondria will vary largely depending upon the requirement of the cell. More active the cell, more will be the number of mitochondria, and comparatively less number of mitochondria will be present in case of cell performing lesser work. So sperm will have 25 mitochondria, kidney cells, they are performing the function of filtration, so they will have 100 to 300 mitochondria, and the liver, the factory inside our body, will have the highest number of mitochondria, that is 500 to 1000 mitochondria per cell. So this is a general information about mitochondria. Now we will see the structure of mitochondria.